Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
We're super excited about this beautiful listing we have here in the Silver Creek Valley Country Club. Now imagine living in a gated golf course community surrounded by beautiful golf courses, and you can be walking distance to a beautiful country club where you can have a cup of coffee or enjoy a drink with your family and friends. What do you think, Alia?
Absolutely, Eddie. Not only that, there's tennis courts, there's a swimming pool, and there's great schools. What more could you ask for?
Exactly. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 5199 St. Anne's Court. Luxury awaits you inside the gates of the prestigious Silver Creek Valley Country Club. Situated at the discreet end of a cul-de-sac lies this grand two-story estate with unobstructed mountain, city lights, and valley views. Uniquely inviting through a majestic entrance with soaring ceilings and wide plank hardwood floors. This desirable 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath Coalport floor plan in the St. Andrews collection features a private suite on the main level, perfect for guests or extended family, a sought-after 3-car garage with plenty of storage, a new marble kitchen with high-end appliances that has plenty of eating space for the entire family. The spacious master retreat with marble bath and jacuzzi tub beckons peace and tranquility. A large upstairs balcony offers a private yet scenic escape. The huge flagstone covered backyard welcomes entertaining. Enjoy resort-style living with access to the golf course, tennis courts, hiking and biking trails, top-rated schools, scenic parks. All this while being close to shopping, the 101 and 85 freeways. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home. This community is one of the hottest places in San Jose to buy right now.
Exactly, and as you saw, such a gorgeous property and a gorgeous location. Now, if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.